Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas Pro. To begin, simply log in and explore the enhanced editor. You'll find a vast library of premium templates and millions of stock photos, videos, and audio tracks. Canvas Pro empowers you to create stunning visuals with ease, offering a significant upgrade to your design capabilities. Get ready to unlock your creative potential and streamline your workflow. Canvas Pro offers powerful tools to elevate your designs. Use the one-click background remover to isolate subjects perfectly. The Magic Resize feature lets you adapt your design to any format, from social media posts to presentations, in seconds. Bring your creations to life with intuitive animation tools, adding movement and flair. Plus, maintain brand consistency across all your projects with custom brand kits. Collaboration is effortless with Canvas Pro. Share your designs and entire folders with team members, allowing for real-time editing and feedback. You can leave comments directly on designs, ensuring clear communication. Establish and apply brand kits to keep all team creations on brand, maintaining a professional and cohesive look. Easily manage who can view or edit projects, ensuring smooth teamwork. Once your design is perfect, Canvas Pro makes sharing simple. Download your work in various high-quality formats, including PNG, JPG, and PDF. You can even schedule your social media posts directly from the platform, saving you time. For presentations, use the built-in presenter view. If you need physical copies, easily order professional prints of your designs, from business cards to flyers, right through Canvas Pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.